now officially opening our lavish salon here at Austin Northam High School.
I love cosmetology. I have a true passion for it. I've been in cosmetology since 1987. I will never leave cosmetology. So I have a great bunch of students, love to learn. They're excited to learn.
Yes, and to make sure your face is
We do everything from manicures to pedicures, acrylic full sets, fillings, lip waxing, eyebrow waxing, even leg waxing.
It's actually going to be hard to get off, so you want to be
I want to
mindful.
have my own salon. I want to own a couple. And I also want to do that because I love working with people and I love how they're being satisfied after I do their work.
I'm gonna come soon.